back to my channel. Look at these fresh ass nails, looking fresh. I just got my nails done because today I am going to see NCT 127 in concert. Okay, so I'm trying to look as fly as possible today. Daddy Taeyong's gonna be there and he needs to see me, which is why I'm wearing yellow so he can see me from the stand. Like, he's gonna look out there and be like, who's that girl in the yellow? She fun. That's my master plan. So I haven't put on any skincare yet, so I'm gonna do that first. We're gonna put on the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum. Thankfully, it's really sunny outside today because I want to wear a skirt and it's like 18 degrees right now. So it's finally gotten a little bit warmer and a skirt would be acceptable today. However, the show is going to end at like 10 o'clock and by that time, it's going to be cold outside. So I'm definitely playing myself, but I need to look cute, so... They're gonna be playing at the same place that I saw Red Velvet at. I'm gonna use the Dr. Belmer Salt Cream. Anyway, yeah, so they're playing at the same venue that Red Velvet played at in February. So I'm going to the same place. Now I know where I'm going and everything. And I'm not gonna go early like I did last time because I got my ticket and everything, so I'm good. Though I did just upgrade my ticket. I bought another StubHub ticket. I had bought a ticket off Ticketmaster and this morning I checked StubHub and they had tickets for like $50 cheaper and it was closer than the ticket that I already had. So now instead of sitting in row G, I'm sitting in row BB. So it's like way closer. And if you guys haven't seen my Red Velvet concert vlog, I will put it up somewhere up here on the screen. In that vlog, I sat front row. I'm not seeing NCT front row just because that would have cost a lot of money that I wasn't willing to pay to see NCT, honestly. I really love Red Velvet. Like, I'm obsessed with Red Velvet. And NCT, I'm like a fan, like I like them, but I'm not like dying to see them. I almost didn't even go. I was kind of like on the fence about if I wanted to go or not, or if I wanted to just save my money. But in the end, of course, I decided to just spend my money because I'm stupid. So I kind of went last minute and got tickets like a couple weeks ago, and then I got a ticket literally this morning in a different section because there's still tickets available. I'm pretty sure they opened up more sections for NCT, but I feel like Red Velvet's more popular, so I don't know. Like, the Red Velvet tickets sold out so fast, it was like ridiculous. And it is the morning before the show, the afternoon, it's afternoon now, it's the afternoon before the show, and there's still tickets available. Not that many tickets, not like there's gonna be like big open spots or anything. There's maybe like 100 tickets left, but still, Red Velvet sold out in like the first day, like the first hour. And if you're like a huge NCT fan, I don't mean to bash them at all. I'm not trying to bash them by saying that they're not as popular as Red Velvet. It just is what it is. That doesn't mean that they're not as good or that Red Velvet is better. It's just like they're more popular. And Red Velvet's been around longer too. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of sunscreen and then we're gonna start with the actual makeup. But like I was saying, I kind of just wanted to like go to this concert because the Red Velvet concert was so much fun, and it was just so fun to like see a lot of like K-pop fans together in one spot, because normally like in my everyday life I don't really know people who like K-pop and like actually know what I'm talking about and stuff. And literally when I went to this concert, I felt like I was just a casual K-pop fan. Like, I'm a big Red Velvet fan, but I felt like I was a casual K-pop fan because I was meeting people that have been to tons of K-pop concerts, and like they'll travel and like go to New York and LA to go see their favorite people, and they like so many different groups, and I don't even like that many groups. I have like certain groups that I'm really into. I'm really into Red Velvet and EXO. I'm like an SM stan, to be honest. I have like certain groups that I'm really into, and some solo acts, like I really like Chungha, but I felt like a lot of the people that I was meeting there really liked a lot of K-pop. Like they liked everything and they knew about all these different groups and all their songs and the members, and I was like, I have no idea what you're talking about. I had never heard this song, and I'd never like, I don't know who this person is in this group, and it was just like, I feel like they had so much knowledge, and I was like, wow. And I'm gonna take my VDL primer. My forehead looks so big right now. Oh my god. I'm trying to do my makeup kind of quick today, guys, because it's really hot in this room. I got the lights and it's super sunny and warm outside, so I am cooking. I'm cooking in here. Anyways, I didn't want FOMO, so that's why I bought tickets to this concert. I just wanted to like have fun tonight and jam with you guys, and like I hope I see some of you guys at the concert tonight, because last time I got so many messages from people that were like, oh, I saw you at the concert, but like I was afraid to talk to you or I didn't want to bother you, and I'm like, guys, just come say hello, please. I am a little sad loner. Please say hello to me. I promise I won't eat you. I promise. I promise. I love when people say hi to me. Alright, so for foundation, I'm using my regular NARS foundation that I always use in the color Macau. Just taking a couple drops. Lately I haven't really been using foundation, so I try to go really light on the foundation at the moment. What really made me buy a ticket was watching their American press tour, and I was watching them on like, I don't even know what it was, like Good Morning America or something, or like their performance of Superhuman. So good. And I love the song, and I'm like, excuse me, why can't I buy this? Why isn't it out yet? You're rude. How dare you perform this song all over America, but it's not available yet? Hello? So rude. I feel really pretty today. Do you ever have those days where you just like feel so pretty? Like, I feel so pretty. So yeah, I'm just here to jam with you guys. Honestly, I only know like a handful of songs. Like, I know a few singles and like a couple things off of their albums. My favorite song by NCT right now is Touch, but I also really like Whiplash, even though I've already seen the set list and I know they're not gonna perform that, which is so sad. What are the songs? Obviously Cherry Bomb, duh. Limitless, so good. So I only know a few songs. I don't know all their songs, but I'm still gonna have fun tonight. And my favorite, like I said, is Taeyong. I love Taeyong and I love Marky. Mark was born in my city of Toronto and raised in Vancouver. Little Canadian boy. And after watching all their interviews, I have a newfound love for Johnny. He's so cute and fun. I love him. So now I'm gonna put on my concealer from Too Faced, their sculpting concealer. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on this year, but all the K-pop acts are coming to the US and Canada, and I'm here for it, okay? I don't know how this started, and it's all different companies too. Like, I don't, like, did they all get together and be like, listen, we're all doing world tours this year, let's do this? I don't know. Because so far, since this year started, Red Velvet, Blackpink, and NCT have all come to Canada, and it's only May. I'm just hoping and praying with all of my heart that EXO comes to Canada. Please, God, please. If EXO comes to Canada, I will cry. If I have to kill somebody, I will go to their concert, okay? I will murder a band in cold blood just to watch EXO in concert. I swear to God. And I will sit in the front row and I will cry. The whole 2 hours, just So I want my whole vibe today to like match the concert. So I'm going for like a cool girl look, you know what I mean? Like this is not something I would normally wear, but it's definitely like sporty chic, and I feel like it really goes with like NCT's image of like, you know, they're like cool boys, you know what I mean? Except when they're performing Touch, then they're soft boys. Oh, so cute. Yeah, so we're gonna keep the makeup look pretty simple today, like nothing too complicated. I feel like this look is more about the outfit, to be honest. I'm keeping everything like super neutral and warm. And now I'm gonna take a Diotima. I never know how to pronounce this thing. From the Take a Layer collection from 3CE, which is like their cream, blush, lip, and eye. Putting that on my cheeks. It looks like a lot when you put it on, but it blends out really nicely and naturally. I'm already getting my nails so dirty. I'm gonna have to clean them after this. So I'm gonna be taking Derriere from MAC, which is this gorgeous brown color. Gorgeous. As you guys can see, it's a really nice color, but it's very close to my skin color. It makes my lips kind of disappear into my face. I always have to mix it with something. And what we're gonna mix it with today is, hello, good old Diotima. And then I'm gonna grab my Just Peachy palette. If I can open it, oh my god. New nails. I'm gonna use Freshly Picked. Start putting that into my crease. Let me know if you guys have ever been to a K-pop concert before, because I hadn't really been to one. Like, I had seen Amber. One was like a fan meeting, and then the other one was like an actual concert, but they were really small. So Red Velvet was like my first like concert at like a venue with like thousands of people there. Honestly, that was one of like the best nights of my life. It was so amazing. So this is gonna be like my second big K-pop concert. Honestly, I'm just ready to see Taeyong dance. That's all I'm here for, okay? I'm here to jam, and I'm here to see Taeyong dance, and that's about it. 2 hours of fun. The other thing about concerts is that if you don't plan your meals correctly, you're gonna be starving the whole time. Or thirsty, or need to go to the bathroom. You don't want to need to go to the bathroom right when Taeyong is popping and locking. So I always make sure that I eat before I leave and that I go to the bathroom before I leave. But last time when I saw Red Velvet, I was there like literally like 8 hours early. I'm not kidding. Go watch the vlog. I lived off like Doritos that day. And then when we finally got into the venue, the first thing I did was I went pee. Since I was at the front of the line, I just went straight beeline for the bathroom and there was nobody in there. By the time I got out of the bathroom, there was a line for the bathroom. So now I'm gonna go into Peach Tart. Add a little bit more smokiness, a little bit more sexiness, you know? I wonder who's gonna be wearing more makeup today, me or the boys? Speaking of boys, when I went to the Red Velvet concert, there were so many male fans. Like, I was really surprised. And I'm talking like big, beefy men, like men, like in the front row, because I couldn't see that far back, you know, because I had a premium tickets, you know. I feel like I never get my eyeshadow the same on both sides because my eyes are different. And if you have a perfectly symmetrical face, well then, good for you, Jessica. Some of us are not that genetically blessed. And then I'm gonna take the MAC Kajal liner. It's like a dark brown liner, and I'm just going to line my waterline and everything with it. I'm gonna use my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And then I'm gonna follow that up with the Roller Lash from Benefit to lift and separate. Lift and separate. Okay. I just realized that I still have to shave my legs. I'll just shave my legs after I put my makeup on. I was thinking of just putting brow gel on, but I feel like this look commands stronger brows. So we're gonna take Lick a Brow and my Anastasia brush. This is the, which brush is this? I think it's the 14. I don't know. The number's rubbed off by now. Huh? Looking good. Oh yeah, the boy's gonna see my eyebrows. And then I want to get a golden highlight, so we're gonna use Oh Darling from, why is my hair like that? We're gonna do Oh Darling from MAC. Ooh, so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I have to go shave my legs because I forgot, so. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love ya so much.